Hello, friends. This is Shanti Dugard, a finance and investment professional with about 30 years of relevant experience in India, Thailand, and Australia. In this video, I would like to present 5 secrets of how can you win in the stock market. Before I make this presentation, I would like to make this disclaimer and request viewer to please take a note of this disclaimer. The first secret of winning in the stock market is only invest in what you understand. In other words, refrain from investing until you understand the business of the company where you want to invest in. Warren Buffett, who is one of the most successful investors globally, has said, "The market, like the Lord, helps those who help themselves. Unlike the Lord, the market does not forgive those who do not know what they do." Another successful investor, Jimmy Rogers, has said, "Do not do anything until you know what you are doing." The second secret of winning in the stock market is refuse to make investments that do not meet your criteria. Say effortlessly no to everything unless and until the investment meets your criteria. On the other hand, the losing investor has no criteria at all or adopts someone else's criteria without adapting to his or her own investment objectives. He or she cannot say no to his own greed. The third investment secret is do your own research. That means continuously carry out the fundamental and technical analysis and due diligence of the company's promoters, management, products, and its competitive position in the market. That will help you to take the right decisions. And this review and research is a continuous and dynamic exercise. You should wait for the right timing and the right moment to pull the trigger. On the other hand, a losing investor rarely makes his or her own investment research and believes in somebody else's research or hot tip from the broker or so-called advisors. The fourth secret is to have infinite patience in the market. Keep the patience and wait indefinitely until the investment meets your criteria. Here, I would like to quote three successful investors: Warren Buffett, George Soros, and Jimmy Rogers. Warren Buffett, in one of his annual meetings, has said, "As for how long we will wait indefinitely. We are not going to buy anything just to buy it. We will only buy something if we think we are getting something attractive. We have no time frame. If the money piles up, let it pile up. And when we see something that makes sense to buy, we are willing to act very fast and very big. You don't get paid for activity, you only get paid for being right." Similarly, George Soros says, "To be successful, you need leisure. You need time hanging heavily on your hands." And why you need time? To think. It always takes time to discover a rationale for a perceived trend in the market. Another successful investor, Jimmy Roser, has said, "One of the best rules anybody can learn from about investing is to do nothing, absolutely nothing, unless there is something to do." The losing investor, on the other hand, he cannot wait. He feels that he has to be doing something in the market at all times. Waiting is very difficult from his mentality, and without criteria, he has no idea what to wait for. The fifth and most important secret of winning in stock market is act instantly. Act instantly when you have made a decision and the investment meets your criteria. This is like choosing between black and white. There are no shades of gray. Either the investment meets your criteria or it doesn't. And when it meets your criteria, you should pounce and buy as much as you can. On the other hand, a losing investor procrastinates and he is plagued by self doubt. He is not sure whether he is doing the right thing and always indecisive in his mind. Thank you very much. If you like this video, you can share with your friends and relatives and send your comments. For any further explanation and interactive session, you may please contact me at my email ID dugat.santi68@gmail.com. Happy investing, stay safe. Thank you very much and bye for now.